How to change country on Google account. For that, first of all, launch your Google Chrome on your device. Then, on the top right, you will see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. From here, tap on your profile name and scroll down to the last there you will see Manage your Google account. Simply hit on that. From here, choose personal info, and if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see addresses and select home. Now from here you can easily change your country on Google account. Once you are done, simply hit on save and then you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.